Hi, my name is Stephanie Johnson, and we are here to talk about the power of credit as well as how you can run a successful home-based business. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get right on into it. First and foremost, let me give you a little bit more information about who I am. I am a mom. I am also a wife. I am a business owner, and I have been in business for about 3 years now. But I want to go ahead and be very transparent. About 3 years ago, I was actually working at a bargain hunt. My husband was actually in school to be an accountant, and we wanted to purchase a house. We had very bad credit. I was real bad and bougie, okay? I had late payments, I had student loans, I had all type of collections on my credit report. I was literally in the 500 credit score. Now let's fast forward to me getting started with this amazing program in which I am about to share with you guys. I got started with this, and I would say, man, within the first 45 days for me, as well as my husband, we both received over 100-point increases, getting most of those negative items completely deleted from our reports. And from that, we were able to be approved for a brand new construction home. Now let's not stop there. After that, we decided to help other people with this amazing platform. We started a home-based business, and I'm about to get into that in just a second. And with doing so, with great credit, starting this amazing business, I was able to also go ahead and get approved for my dream car, which was a Tesla that was actually delivered to my front door. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys why I'm raving about this amazing program. Who are we? We are UWE, United Wealth Education Services, okay? We are the leading financial education company in our industry. What are we doing? We're providing services to help you get to your financial goals. Our mission is to help as many people as we can, 84 million families to be exact, because we want to show you how you can get to your goals financially with our platform. Who is helping us with this amazing program? We partner with UCES, United Credit Education Services. As you can see, education stands out. Let me go ahead and give you some great information about this company. We have been in business over 18 years. We have products and services that has been helping families across the country. We are completely debt-free. There's no other company out there that's completely debt-free, and we want to show you how to be the same. We are dedicated and consistent, and we have a management team behind us that has the backs of each one of our clients. Let's go ahead and talk about some shocking facts, because the fact of the matter is, you may think you're the only one that's struggling with bad credit. You may think that you're the only one that can't necessarily get to your goals, but guess what? Numbers don't lie, people do. So let's go ahead and get into some shocking facts. 1.4 million people have been victims of identity theft, and this was back in 2020. 14.6 trillion Americans are struggling in debt in America back in 2021. 64% of Americans are expected to retire with less than 10,000 saved. And y'all, let's go ahead and skip on down to about how many people are struggling with student loan debt. It's over 150%. So you are definitely not alone. But let me go ahead and give you some game, okay? You need to know how your credit score is calculated in order to get to your goal. You have to. So go ahead and take a look at this information. Literally 35% of your credit score is your payment history. I cannot stress this enough. You want to pay your bills on time. 30% is your credit utilization. 15% is your length of credit. 10% is inquiries, and also 10% is the type of credit. Now, this is literally how your credit score is calculated, but also you want to know the difference between bad credit and good credit, especially when you're trying to get to your goal of home ownership. Let's look at the numbers. We have a house that's about $240,000 for a 30-year loan. Somebody with a 560 credit score is going to have a high interest rate versus someone with a great credit score of 740 with a lower interest rate. Let me break that down for you. Basically, that means you're saving money because your mortgage is going to be cheaper with a higher credit score. Someone with a lower credit score buying the same home that you're looking at, look at the numbers. They literally have paid almost $1 million for this same $240,000 loan. So getting your credit intact is very important. The same thing goes with your car. The interest rates really are important. You can save a lot of money by leveraging great credit. Now let's go ahead and get into what I'm raving about, how you can get to your good credit score, how can you achieve these goals. We have the #1 proven protection plan. Proven. It's been proven for me, it's been proven for my family and everybody that I can give this information to, right? So we have a budgeting tool. You want to know how to budget your money. It's not just about credit and how you can fix your credit and all those things. You have to learn the importance of budgeting, okay? We have our #1 service that most people are on this, on this Zoom for. It is credit restoration. How we do this is basically we're going to go ahead and give you analysis, a complete detailed analysis of your overall credit report. Once we pull it, we're going to send that information to our attorneys. They're going to analyze it. We are going to start disputing every single negative item that you have on your credit report at the same time. Literally, student loans. Anything that's negative, erroneous, or incorrect, inaccurate, we are practicing the financial responsibility of getting rid of these negative items so that you can get to your goal. And the next thing is building, credit builder. You want to build credit, okay? That's important. Credit monitoring, it's always, always important that you are tracking yourself as you are getting to your financial journeys. Debt payoff system. We want to show you how to plug in your debt and how you can get rid of that debt as quickly as possible. If you are looking to purchase a home, your debt to income is very, 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 very important, okay? YFL Family Mint, we give back to schools. We also educate the youth. This is a program that you can implement in your household. Credit attorneys, I love this. You are not supposed to be receiving all type of phone calls all through the day from debt collectors. That is against the law. We have attorneys that got your back when it comes to that. A financial lockbox, that's self-explanatory. Identity monitoring. Now, this is very important because there's so many victims of identity theft. We want you to know that we got you. We are protecting your identity when it comes to your information. We got you on lock, okay? Net worth, that's very important. You want to know how much you are worth so that you can get to your goal. Savings goal is self-explanatory. It's important for you to save, okay? Rocket Lawyer, this gives you access to anything that you need an attorney for, any legal matters. I can say anything when it comes to divorce, when it comes to starting a business, when it comes to anything legal, we have your back and you can utilize these tools for any of those things. Will and trust. Now, this is something that not a lot of people talk about and not a lot of people actually have. A will and trust, you want to provide a will and trust for the protection of your family. God forbid something happens to you. Now, if you are fixing your credit, that means you are looking to get to your financial goals. You want to purchase a house. You're trying to purchase property. You're trying to build assets. What do you need to do? You need to put those things in your will and trust so that you can basically help your family out in the future. That is building wealth. So this is the #1 proven protection plan. I absolutely love it. Now, on top of that, now each client, when it comes to this amazing protection plan, you're going to get a customer portal. You're going to be able to track every single thing that is going on with your particular process with this program. Not only that, we have a financial marketplace. Y'all, when I say there's personal loans that we provide, student loan refinancing, auto loans, savings, business credit cards, secured credit cards, business loans, all of those things are in your portal for you to access. And guess what? You can take control of your financial future with all of those services for the price of $80, okay? That's for your first month. a one-time consultation fee of $99. That totals $179, okay, for all of those amazing services. After that, it is $89 a month. But guess what? You are not locked into a contract. Whenever you reach your financial goal, it's okay for you to cancel, in which you can do so in your portal. But I will tell you, with all of that value, you definitely want to take advantage of it for as long as you can. And I want to tell you, there is a lot of people out here that may have struggled with bad credit. There's a lot of people out here that want to purchase homes, that wants to build financial wealth, but it starts with your credit. America runs off of your credit. So these are some of the amazing testimonials that we have, including mine, that leverage this amazing program. Okay, so now let's get to the money, because I'm not here to take up all your time, but I'm going to drop some value. Okay, so let's talk about not only how you can leverage your credit, but guess what? You can help others to do the same and literally start a home-based business. Now, what are you going to be doing? You are simply referring others to the same information that I just shared with you. If they need their credit fixed, look, you want to share with them the protection plan and all the other amazing services. Now, I also want you to know that you are not doing the heavy lifting, okay? We handle the credit restoration. When I say we, I mean corporate, okay? I mean, we have attorneys that do all of that. They handle the technology, they handle the paperwork, they handle the customer service, and so much more. All you're doing is simply referring others to this amazing protection plan. It's very simple, right? So if you go to the store, or you go to get your hair done or your nails done, or say, for instance, if you go to the barbershop or your favorite restaurant and you say, man, this place was good. Let me go ahead and tell my best friend about this place. Let me go ahead and tell my homegirl where to go get her hair done. Guess what? You just referred those. Now, what if I told you that that restaurant or that barbershop would pay you for doing that, pay you for helping the next person? That's literally what this is. Now, guess what? You're able to earn commissions on each person you refer. That's $100 per person. So go ahead and tell Sarah, Billy, and Aaron about this amazing protection plan, and you have just made $300. But guess what? That's only one way of pay. Let's go ahead and get into the second way of pay, which is residuals. We call that pajama money. That's basically making money in your sleep. For every single person that you refer, you're going to make $12 per person you've already referred. So that's $100 plus 12, $100 plus 12, $100 plus 12. And those $12 residuals add up, y'all. That is the second way of pay. Let's go ahead and get into another way of pay. Again, this is a home-based business that just keeps on giving. We have a customer acquisition bonus. Now, I know a lot of people will be on their jobs for years and years, and you may get a 50-cent raise. But this, with your business, you get a business that keeps on giving. Let's just say you have, you started this business and you say, look, I have a person who is looking to start the business as well. And you went ahead and signed them up as a business partner. Now, look, you just got a commission for that business partner, but guess what? That business partner just helped 2 other people start working on their credit by referring them to the program. Now you just made a direct customer acquisition bonus. And that bonus can be for anything from $100 to $560. Not only that, you're going to receive an indirect residual from every single client that they referred. Y'all, this is an amazing opportunity to build wealth. I absolutely love it. On top of that, here's another way of pay. We call it the infinity bonus, to infinity and beyond. Once you make it to something we call the elite, that means you have been working your business. You have helped a whole lot of people. Now we're going to give you another bonus on top of the other amazing ways that we just paid you out. Not on top of that, not only that, we are going to get into another way that you can earn commissions, another way that you can help as many people as possible. If you are a business owner, you can definitely take advantage of this as well. But guess what? If you know someone who has a business, you can earn a commission by simply providing them the application for the business funding. This business funding goes up to $10 million, y'all. Okay, and you can utilize it. But let's talk about commission as you are sharing this with other people. Your direct commission for someone who got approved for $100,000, your direct commission is going to be about $655. Now, let's look at someone who got approved for 1 million. Your direct commission is going to be $6,550, so $6,000. Okay. Now, not only that, if you are helping other people, if they are looking for additional ways, additional streams of income, and they start and you help them get started with this business, you get paid level overrides just for them providing the application to their potential clients and their potential business owners. This, again, is amazing. It's just a business that keeps on giving. And we are complete turnkey. That basically means that everything that I went over, guess what? You're also going to have a personalized agent website. So there's no need to try to find, these websites to kind of make one. You have a website. You have professional marketing materials, live agent and customer support. We get paid every single week. There is no cap on about how much money that you can make with this. As long as you're helping people, you're going to get a check. Online back office, commissions, rewards, bonuses, life insurance. You get up to $100,000 in life insurance with no medical check. This is a business that, man, I was blown away once I seen this information. And I'm sure you are too, as you are watching this. So I want you to know, not only can you take advantage of your credit and your financial future, but you can also become an agent. So let's just say you need your credit worked on. Let's just say you want extra streams of income. Instead of paying the $179, you can pay the $290 for everything. Let's work on your credit. Let's get to your financial goals. There is a one-time setup fee for every single thing that I just went over. After that, you're going to pay $89 a month. But guess what? As you are building your business, you're making $100 per person. You can waive that $89 monthly fee and only just pay the $290. Literally refer 5 people. That's $500 in your pocket, and that also waives your $89. Y'all, this is basically a business in a box. This is basically your goals right here handed to you. If you just get started, help someone else get to their goals, and you can be successful with this as well. Here's what our agents had to say. Let's look at Alfred Nixon, okay? He was a person that used to pick up trash off the street in Florida, y'all, okay? Now he's our #1 top businessman. Changing lives every day is what UWE is all about, is what he said. Let's look at Miss Robin Robinson. She was actually riding the bus to and from work every other day. She's now a top leading business owner with this as well. So I wanted to tell you, like, this is something that is truly, truly life-changing. So you definitely want to get back with the person that sent you this video and ask your questions, and I'll see you at the top.